Missing critical text messages because your iPhone is dead silent? I'm going to walk you through exactly how to fix your notification sounds right now. We're covering everything from the obvious switches to a hidden context setting that trips up almost everyone, so make sure you stick around for that one. Let's dive in. Fix number 1, check your hardware. Look at the side of your phone. If you have an action button, long press it until a bell icon at the top of your screen says ring. If you have a physical switch, flip it so the orange line is hidden. Still silent? Open your settings app and tap sounds and haptic. First, ensure silent mode is turned off. Next, tap text tone. If this is set to none, you won't hear a thing. Pick a default tone or any sound you like, just make sure it's not none. Fix number 3 is the classic Bluetooth hijack. Your phone might be routing the notification sound to your AirPods or a speaker in another room. Go to settings and hit Bluetooth. And temporarily turn it off. If your phone suddenly starts dinging, you found the culprit. Next, let's verify your app permissions. Scroll down in the settings to notifications, then find messages, make sure allow notifications is toggled on. And just like before, check the sound setting right here to ensure it has a tone selected. Fix number 5, focus modes. Swipe down from the top right to open your control center. If you see do not disturb, sleep, or work highlighted, tap it to turn it off. These modes are designed to intentionally block your notification sounds. Now for number 6, the hidden setting I warned you about earlier. What if your phone rings for everyone except one specific person? Open your message app, tap on the conversation with that person, tap their name at the top and make sure hide alerts is toggled off. It's incredibly easy to accidentally trigger this in your pocket. If you're still missing the sounds, it's time for a forced restart to clear out any software bugs. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down, and then press and hold the power button. Keep holding it even when the screen goes black, until you see the Apple logo pop up. This reloads the system code without deleting any of your personal data. Finally, always check settings, general, software update. A buggy iOS version might be to blame, so keeping your phone updated is key. One of these steps will get your notification sounds working again. Ever wonder how to fix an iPhone that keeps rebooting? Check this video out now.